Hello everyone, Mitch from Bush Lapa here. Just a quick rundown and walkthrough and setup video on the Baobab 2i or Baobab 2. So first things first, it falls smack bang in the Baobab platform. So that's our middle-sized unit. It's a two-sleeper fixed bed inside. There's three variants, if one can put it that way, or three offerings that we offer on inside sleepers. So it's the Baobab 2, Baobab 3i, Baobab 3i-ish. And the main difference between the two, or the three of them, the Baobab 2 is a little bit of a lower unit. So it goes a bit flatter, whereas the Baobab 3i, 3i-ish are taller than the normal conventional Baobab height of 2.3. Towing weight between the bunch of them, probably like 50k difference between them. So not a hell of a lot, but there is a bit of a difference. Okay, so the walk around and setup video. So we're going to set up quickly, then we'll do a walk around and a breakdown after that. So first things first is to level your unit. So very important to keep in mind always level your unit towards the spare wheel. So your spare wheel will be your lowest point. I've already installed one leveler or jack just to save a bit of time. So setup time on this should be around about 5 minutes. If you set it up just bed and roof and leveling, put up the awning and the rest of it, you should be able to do it in 10 minutes. Just depending on how much stuff you're going to pack in and out, but that's roughly where we want to be. So quick setup. So stopover. If you do a night trip or night 1 day stopover, it's basically just leveling and setting up the roof. Bed is made up already, so that saves you a bit of time. Here we go. Okay, we're now putting the roof. Two clips on the back end. One on this side, one on the other. And then it's as easy as just pushing up on the roof. You push it from the inside if you don't reach. Luckily, I'm a bit tall, so I can reach easily. The roof opens up by itself. So for a 1 night stopover, that will be it. You set up the roof, your bed stays made up, so it's a fixed bed. You don't have to pop out the tent, make up your bed. Bed stays made up, so it's very quick and easy for overnight stops. Okay, so the rest of the setup will be awning. So we're going to do that quickly, and then we'll do the walk around on the unit for you guys. Right. So to open up the awning, we start from the front to the rear. Same as all us rooftoppers. First arm, first rope, we walk around with. Go around to the back. So first things first, to hook up the awning at the back. Hook it up loosely at like a 20-degree on your back awning arm so that you can have the canvas adjusted or to pull it to the front. So next step will then be hold up to arm. And then pull on your pull tab the top of the awning. You want to get that seam and that arm almost level with each other. Then you get out one of your long poles. There's two of them, they're identical, so you just get out the one. Always start on the front. And then we tension at the back. Tension up in the rear. Go around the top one, around the next one, pull it nice and tight against the body. And there you go. The rest is all dropping down your legs, putting in all the rest of your support poles, and then your rain poles. So we'll do that quickly. So next, take your other long pole. Okay, in the back end. Fasten it up. Get your square pole. It goes over the top. And get your leg for the center. These are your shorter poles. And then you've got your uprights. Swing them up. Then your rain poles. So as a rule of thumb, the long ones go with the long poles. There's those four. The short ones with the short poles. They go in the rear. So the long poles go in the front. The short ones in the rear. Bison frame. Just slides in there. Go. Go. Okay, then I'll open up all the rest of the cupboards and things and do a walk around for you guys. Okay, so opening up all the cupboards on the Baobab 2i. Okay, that's all the cupboards open. So just as a walk around, if we can do that quickly for you guys. You've got your wash up on the rear, hot and cold water. We run the Hansen geyser on all our units. So the geyser is electric and gas, runs both ways. You've got extra kitchen storage space because we moved the door to the rear. So you've got a double kitchen. You do have space for a microwave, a 20 liter if you want to run a microwave. There's additional storage under the kitchen compartments as well for pots That's the outside access cupboard. Fridge drawer takes up to a 90-liter National Luna or the 82-liter Snowmaster, the double door. You've got your cutlery drawer. These are the flaps for the back doors, just as a gutter system. So cutlery drawer at the top and then pots and pan drawer at the bottom. For those that did not know, stove lifts up so you can clean underneath. You can put foil in here just to help catch up any debris falling in and take away the foil and throw it away. Nose box houses your 2 gas bottles. One for the geyser, one for the stove. You've got your jerry cans in the center. Wood racks on top, so you'll just pack your wood on top and then strap down. This nose box this side will usually be tools, recovery gear, maybe charging cables, the rest of those things. If you go the shower cubicle route, the shower cubicle will set up here. This one unfortunately does not have one on. Shower cubicle is 1.2 by 1.2. We've seen them on other videos that we've done. So full set of side panels that come standard with the awning. Ample storage space underneath, 2 deep cycle batteries, normal lead acid batteries, and then more storage in here. And that officially is the Baobab 2. So the interior side of the Baobab 2, you've got a queen size mattress. It's standard length by 1.5 by 1950 on the length. The storage space at the top end will be for whatever you want to put in there that you're going to be sleeping in the bed. I would say books, maybe glasses, stuff like that. Your phones for charging. You've got a USB point at the top end as well. This will be clothing cupboards or bedding if you want. You do have more cupboards down here by the basin that will also be clothing or bedding. You do have storage space in here as well for toiletries, the rest of the goodies. If you guys come around this way, you've got a porta potty compartment. It takes a 20-liter flushable. And then also some nice drawers on the inside for underwear or socks. If you want to put extra food in there, you can as well. We do also offer a basin inside to brush teeth if you're getting to camp very late. All our electronics are run by Victron. So we run the Victron battery monitor. We run Victron chargers, Victron regulators. If you go for inverter, we do Victron inverters as well. The rest of the power system is basically built by Bush Lapa. And that's the inside of the unit. The unit comes also with an insulated roof. So it's got a 25mm ISO board type insulation, as well as a nice finishing panel on top of that. So any issue with condensation or heat will be dissolved by that. All your windows do also open, so you've got your mosquito nets that can open completely, and you do have canvas that can close them again. So if it starts to rain. Okay, so we're just going to quickly do a quick time lapse on the breakdown on the unit. I'm sure you guys have seen the other videos. You've seen what to look out for. But yeah, again, so we'll break down, show you guys how quick it goes if we don't talk. So please bear with me. We'll set it to break down quickly. Thank you everyone for watching and joining us again for another video. So we'll try and get to the other ones as soon as possible. If there's anything that you guys would want to request, please just send us a comment, or you can just give us a ring. We can also try and give you guys a bit of a quicker response there. But yeah, just comment if you guys like the content. If there's anything else you guys want more focused on, maybe on the power system, stuff like that, please let us know. Then we can try and do those as well for you guys. Thank you.